We might not have leaping powers.
But Megafang does! Whoa!
Drive smoother! Ah! A giant eyeball!
Not any eyeball. A cat eyeball. One of the most amazing eyes in the creature world. Oh, and by the way, a giant cat has some pretty amazing hang time. But now we're going down! Hang on!
Oh no! They're going to crash!
Whoa! Don't worry, cats have other creature powers.
Cats can really twist!
Whoa!
A cat always lands on his feet.
This kitten is just having fun.
Ah! I'm not! Oh, forget it! I don't like small cats, I don't like ginormous cats, or any cats in between!
Don't worry. He ends up saying that about all our animal friends.
And what we always say is wild cats and dogs belong living free and in the wild.
Uh-huh.
Oh, now Megafang's teeth are really mega.
And he's purring. Louder than ever now.
It's a purrquake! Let's get him back to normal size. Super miniaturize.
Woo! Way to go, Megafang.
What about the rest of the wild cats and wild dogs?
To the creature rescue!
Unpose beam.
Now let's get all you cats and dogs back to your natural habitat.